Looking for the perfect miter saw but overwhelmed by the options? Today we're breaking down the top picks, from budget-friendly to pro-level beasts, so you can find the right fit without wasting time or money. Starting off our list in 5th place is the Evolution Saw. It's a small, super lightweight sliding miter saw that's all about versatility. If you want one tool that can cut not just wood, but also metal and plastic, this one's definitely intriguing. But let's talk about where it shines and where it doesn't. The standout feature here is its multi-material blade. It's not just marketing fluff. It really does let you cut through wood, plastic, and even mild steel without swapping blades. That makes it a great pick for DIYers who jump between different types of projects. Plus, with its compact size and laser guide, it's surprisingly handy for quick jobs in tight workspaces. Now, let's be honest, this isn't the saw you want for high precision trim work or heavy duty cutting. The laser guide is prone to misalignment, and you'll feel the limitations when it comes to depth or clean finish cuts. It's also a single bevel design, so compound cuts take more effort compared to dual bevel models. That said, if you're just getting into miter saws and want something that can do a little bit of everything, this is a solid low budget entry. And just a heads up, links to all the saws we mentioned today at the best prices are down below in the description. Next up in 4th place is the CRAFTSMAN cordless saw. This is the go-to for portability and freedom. No cords, no hassle. Just grab it and go. It's ideal for small trim work, repairs, or jobs in places where outlets are hard to find. What really makes this saw appealing is its battery-powered setup. It's light, easy to carry, and has decent runtime for smaller projects. The LED cut line guide is a nice touch, and the sliding rail gives you better cutting capacity than you'd expect from a 7¼ inch blade. But let's set expectations. It's a single bevel saw, so compound angles will take more setup. And while it's convenient, it's not built for cutting thick materials all day long. The sliding rail can feel a little loose, and the dust collection could definitely use improvement. If you're a homeowner or hobbyist who values mobility and doesn't need a huge saw, this one's a great pick. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more reviews like this. Taking the middle spot in our ranking is the SKIL. It's a great example of getting more features without going overboard on size or price. This saw strikes a balance between performance, capacity, and portability. Here's what stands out. It's dual bevel, has a shadow LED cut line guide, and can handle crown molding, baseboards, and lumber with ease. The linear slide action is smooth, and the high RPM gives clean, accurate cuts, even on tougher materials. It's a great upgrade from the smaller saws without jumping up to a bulky 12-incher. Drawbacks? Sure, you're still working with a 10-inch blade, which means slightly less depth on thick lumber. And while it's more stable than cheaper saws, there is a little play in the detents if you're really detail-oriented. Also, the footprint gets pretty deep when you extend the slide. But overall, this is a very capable saw for serious DIYers, woodworkers, or anyone who wants pro-style features without the pro size or price tag. In 2nd place is the Metabo, an excellent dual bevel miter saw that combines raw cutting power with thoughtful design. If you're looking for precision and reliability, this one's hard to beat. What sets the Metabo apart is its cutting depth and smooth sliding rails. It's built to handle everything from thick framing lumber to wide crown molding. The LED shadow cut line is a nice bonus, and the controls are super user-friendly. Plus, you get one of the longest tool warranties in the game. 5 years. Now, it is heavy. At around 55 pounds, this is not something you'll want to carry around the job site all day. The dust collection is average, and it doesn't offer as much miter range to the right as our top pick. But for the price, it packs serious value for the build quality. If you're setting up a dedicated workshop or doing high-end finished carpentry, this saw is a smart investment. Just know it's not the most portable tool in the shed. And finally, taking the #1 spot, the DEWALT. This saw is a beast, built for professionals, serious remodelers, or anyone who just wants the best of the best in cutting capacity and reliability. Where it really shines is power and precision. The sliding rails let you cut through wide boards with ease. 2x14 at 90 degrees is no joke. The build quality is top tier, and the tall fences give you plenty of support for vertical cuts. It doesn't come with an LED guide, but it more than makes up for it with raw performance. Of course, it's big. and heavy, and if you're short on space, the full slide depth might be a concern, but it's one of those tools that feels overbuilt in a good way. Even the dust collection, while not perfect, is better than most in this class. If you want a professional grade saw that's ready for anything, the DEWALT is absolutely worth it. It's a powerhouse you'll be using for years to come. That wraps up our breakdown of the top miter saws available right now. All the best deals are linked in the description below, so go check those out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and buying guides.